Welcome back to Tora Motors. Every so often, a machine arrives that doesn't ask for your attention, it commands it. Tonight, we introduce the all-new 2027 Audi SQ8, finished in a metallic dark gray so deep it seems to absorb the light around it, a machine engineered not merely to be noticed, but to be remembered. Look closer, because every inch of this exterior was designed with intent. That single-frame grille isn't styling for its own sake. It's a declaration, the first thing the road sees before it understands what's coming. That stance, wide, low, unshakably planted, was built to dominate before the engine ever turns over. Walk the profile, and you'll find a character line that runs the length of the body like a drawn blade, sharp, deliberate, unapologetic. Forged alloy wheels, precision machined to the millimeter, don't just move air, they move perception. And when this SUV finally pulls away, it doesn't leave a driveway behind. It leaves an impression that lingers long after the sound has faded. Step inside, and the story shifts, but the intensity never does. This is not a cabin built for comfort alone, it is a command center, engineered for a driver who expects excellence in every direction they look. The dashboard rises around you like the cockpit of something built to be piloted, not merely driven. Every switch, every paddle, every stitch of hand-finished leather exists for a reason, because true luxury isn't seen, it's felt, in the smallest details, at the highest standard. Slide into the rear cabin, and space becomes generous without ever feeling excessive, legroom, craftsmanship, and quiet all working in balance. Above you, a panoramic glass roof opens to the sky, a quiet reminder that nothing about this machine believes in limits. Now, feel it move. Beneath that hood, a twin-turbocharged V8 heart waits, patient, coiled, capable of launching you from 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds flat. Quattro all-wheel drive holds the road with a grip that asks no permission, only delivers total control, in rain, in silence, on open asphalt stretching toward the horizon. Through a sunlit tunnel, past a coastal highway, down a straight and merciless stretch of road, this is what happens when engineering refuses to play it safe. So, what does it take to own this level of presence? The 2027 Audi SQ8 begins at $99,700 for the Premium Plus, a foundation already built without compromise. Step into the Prestige at $107,200, and you unlock massaging front seats, a head-up display, automated parking, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system that turns every mile into a performance in its own right. Add the destination fee of $1,295. Add the packages that make it unmistakably yours, black optic for a darker, more aggressive presence, luxury for extended leather and craftsmanship throughout, S-Sport for a signature exterior that refuses to blend in, and a fully equipped Prestige can land near $124,000 to $127,000, out the door. Flexible financing and lease options are available right here at Tora Motors, tailored to bring this machine within reach sooner than you'd expect. And what remains, once the numbers settle, isn't simply a price. It's an invitation into a class of driver who never asks why, only how soon. The 2027 Audi SQ8. Available now. Only at Tora Motors. Some vehicles get you to your destination. This one ensures the arrival itself becomes unforgettable. Tora Motors, drive different.